Belzona 1212 is a two-component paste-grade rapid-curing composite for repairing and rebuilding metal surfaces heavily contaminated with oil or water. One of the key factors of a Belzona application is a thorough mix of the two-component composites. In this video, we demonstrate how to mix Belzona 1212 by volume. For the mixing, you will need the two components, base and solidifier of Belzona 1212, a Belzona working surface, and a spatula. First, remove the caps and protective seals and set them aside. Unless the entire contents of base and solidifier are needed for an application, transfer one part of base and one part of solidifier to the working surface. Place the seal and cap back onto the containers to store for further use. Mix both components together in a figure-8 motion to achieve a uniform material free of any streakiness. Once the mixed material turns into a slate gray color with no streaks, it is ready for the planned application on transformers, underwater structures, pipes, sumps, storage tanks, flanges, chillers, and other contaminated surfaces.